Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to reset a school Chromebook. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. A factory reset erases all user data on your Chromebook's hard drive, including all the files in the download folder. It also erases most non-user related device information, but preserves a few diagnostic and operational pieces of data. Before you reset, make sure to back up all your files on Google Drive or an external hard drive. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to sign out of your Chromebook, and then you have to press and hold Control, Alt, Shift, and R keys together. And then you have to select Restart. In the box that appears, you have to select Power Wash. And after that, when you tick on Power Wash, you have to click Continue. So when you'll be there on Power Wash tab, Continue tab will be there. So you have to click on that. Follow the steps that appear and sign in with your Google account. Once you have reset your Chromebook, the first thing that you need to do is follow the on-screen instruction to set up your Chromebook and check if the problem is fixed. So that was it. I hope you liked this video. Please follow the channel for more content. Thank you.